Hi, Dr. Mejia. I'm here with our patient Darren, who's, after having had a transplant, he's had a total of 4,500 grafts roughly. He had the FUT procedure many years ago, and then we did a smaller secondary procedure on him with a combination of FUT and FUE. And as you can see here from it, turn your head this way a little bit there. You can see here, kind of as we comb his hair, the difference before and after, and what a change that has made there. And if you put your head down, straight down like this, you can kind of see the difference there that it's made for him. And turn a little bit to your left, and you can see there the difference that he's gotten there. And if you put your head straight down, I'll kind of give you a view just from here, and you can see kind of the increased density that he's had there. As you can see, just kind of combing almost in the same direction. And then from the back, if you turn around, Darren, you can see, put your head back, he's got a huge difference in density even here, a little bit further back, or a little bit more back. So a lot more density. Most of the surgery was concentrated in the front here, not so much in the back, but we did put several grafts in here and made a huge difference for him. And let me comb his hair so that he'll be happy. Okay, and that's that.
That's it.
So that's been a big change for him, and
That's right. If you want your self-esteem back, call Rick.
there you go. All right, we'll see you later.